What's up guys, it's your girl Imani here, back for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my wash and goes every day. It is really simple and it only takes about 10 minutes. I pretty much use what you guys just saw, a steamer. Yes, it was a clothes steamer, don't judge me. I use my hair dryer as well as a pick. So every night before I go to bed, I make sure that I put my hair away properly, and that pretty much looks like this. I put it into a few little ponytails using satin scrunchies, and then I put a bonnet on it. It's so important that if you want your wash and go to look right, that you put it away properly. My hair is a little shorter, so I use multiple scrunchies. I think I have like 5 or 6 in this video. As you guys can see, the shorter your hair, the more scrunchies you want to use, and the longer your hair, the less scrunchies that you need to use. So as you guys see, what I did first was I took out one of the ponytails and I softened that section up with my steamer just a little bit to soften it up, because it can get a little hard on me depending on the gel that I'm using. But I don't want, like, you know, the product to run down either. And then I went ahead and I grabbed my hair going down, if that makes sense, and then blow dried it on cold. And now I'm just taking a pick once I feel like it's kind of fluffed out well enough from the blow dryer and picking it out. And I just do that around my entire head, as you can see. So again, I'm just using the steamer really quickly, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair down gently, but pulling it down the way I want it to go, and blow drying it on cold, and just kind of running it from my root to kind of my tip. I'm holding the tips of my hair, the ends of my hair, because I still want the ends of my hair to have that nice little like curly curl look. So I'm just doing it, you know, right before the ends of my hair, and then using a pick to pick it out. So I saved the front ponytail for last. As you guys can see, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm steaming the entire section at first, and then I'm splitting that section into 2 halves. The back half will get the exact same thing that the rest of the hair has gotten. I blow dry it. I hold the tips. I hold it not too tight, but you know, I stretch it out the way as long as I want it to look before picking it out. But then the front half of that section, as you guys can see, I'm kind of just like blow drying it going down, but I don't do the entire part because I want that front part to really have that curl look, just to kind of, it gives people the illusion that it's not stretched as much, but as you guys can see, yes it is. And that is it. I'm just going to play around with my hair to shape it with my hands exactly the way I want it to, but it looks exactly how I do. I do this every day because my hair shrinks up like crazy at the end of the day, and it just works. It's really quick, it's really simple, and I love the way it looks after that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one. Bye!